Good morning, everybody. Here to dye up another shirt for you. It's been soaking in our soda ash or sodium carbonate for the last 30 minutes or so. We're gonna twist it up and throw some color on it. Come along for the ride. For this one, this is gonna be a little bit of my brainchild. I have planned we're gonna do a horizontally pleated, meaning we pleat from, essentially the bottom up, and then we're gonna roll it up into a spiral and dye it in wedges. I think it'll be very cool.
Horizontal pleats are always the hardest.
Oh, very intricate now. It doesn't have to be perfectly horizontally pleated, we are rolling it into a circle, so doesn't have to be the finest specimens of pleats. We just got to get some folds in there somehow and then roll those folds into a spiral. That's the goal. It's got nice pleats forming up there, coming together quite nicely. Looking good, looking good. This is an XL. I wanted to use it because of the shirts that we had soaking, it was the largest, so I figured it would give us the most twistability for our spiralage. Just trying to try something new, folks. We did 3 fan requests. We're gonna do one of my designs, and we'll see what we end up with. Getting that whole thing pleated. Nice horizontal pleats. Banding time. Ooh, buddy, look at that. Looking good. That's exactly what I was hoping for. Looking nice. Yeah, buddy. That's what I'm talking about, Mama. Perfect. Perfect execution of my brainchild. I'm not saying it's going to turn out good, but she did it exactly like I saw it in my mind. So if it fails, it's all on my brain. I'll make a nice little spiral. The dyeing rack.
We need colors.
Yep. What colors you want to do on it? I just want lots of color. I don't care what they are, as long as there's, at least like 4 of them, I'd say. 4 or 5.
There was a color pattern I wanted to do, like Cayman, Granny Apple, Lime Pop, and maybe like a navy.
Sure. I'm down for whatever.
So this is Granny Apple.
Granny Apple Green.
And I'm just gonna do color wedges.
All right. So granny apple, navy blue. Navy
side
big
over
tip
there
blue.
coated
Yeah,
well.
it's pretty good. You'll get the rest when you flip it. Put you another little spot of green right there and it'll be good.
This is lime pop.
Lime pop. Beautimous. Cayman Isle. It's gonna be pretty. Little turbo car whistling on by. Little splash more green right there before you flip it. So all told on this one, we have Granny Apple, Cayman Isle Green, Lime Pop, and Navy Blue. Nice assortment. I like this color choice, by the way. It's gonna make it
Color
cool.
scheme.
Yeah, I think
Been
this one's
thinking
pretty
about this
cool.
one for a while.
I don't know how it's gonna look yet, but from here it looks like a winner. I'm gonna make you a very dark green too pretty soon, so we'll be able to feature that in the future as well. We got some more powder dyes on the way, so we'll be able to mix even more colors here pretty soon. The ever-expanding palette. Oh, and on the tie-dye kits, I forgot to tell y'all in the last video, we're willing to let people choose from a variety of colors. There's like probably about 10 you can choose from, and they're on the Etsy site, so just make sure and check that out too if you're interested. To the drying rack.
To the drying rack.
Second shelf where it will sit for the next 24 hours until we're ready to rinse it on out. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.